What's going on, guys? CJ, aka Courtney Jane Racing here, which is my new channel name now. I am partnering up with Blanco Racing WRX, if you don't know who she is. She's also a super dope female in the motorsport industry who is very much into rally. She actually invited me out to an event this weekend, and I'm from San Diego, and we're towing my car all the way up to Sacramento. Concept car in the wild. What do you think that is? I think it looks like a BMW. Definitely a BMW. I had to hit the gym this morning because that's also a priority. You know, we're on the meal prep stuff. Gotta stay dedicated, no excuses. Car is officially unloaded. The track is mostly flat. I'm really hoping I don't DB'd out here. I am running the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2. This homegirl doesn't have enough money to get different tires. Gonna rock with what I got and taking it as have fun, learn new driver skills, improve, and get seat time. Those are my priorities right now. So I'm really excited to actually take this car out for the first time ever in the dirt, like actually race it in the dirt. This also, check out the freaking Cybertruck, like side note, that's pretty dope. Unfortunately, they're not even racing it. I mean, that obviously didn't last very long. We're about to take this off right now. Right here to Le Schwab Tire Center.
Let me go break it down real quick, clean it up, and we'll get back together for you. What kind of air pressure you want? As the track got more dry, I felt like personally I have gained a lot more confidence in my driving skills. No, I didn't have a coach with me, it's just me, myself, and I. The only issue that I do have is my front bumper and being low. Every time I come in from a session, I'm always having to kick the front bumper or hit it really hard with my palms. I already lost one piece on the passenger side. I need to raise my car, honestly.
Third place, Mr. Sanjay in the yellow Mini Cooper. Second place is Michael Holbrook in the Ford Fiesta. 34 seconds faster is Mr. Grover in the VW. There you go. I almost had you! First and second place, same driver in the same car, same entry. Jeff.
Yeah! Okay.
You're the guest of honor. Pick a winner.
633401.
Yeah, boy.
It's your new sponsor now.
633414. Thank you so much for coming out. We really appreciate you guys every time. You guys are what make these events awesome. Thanks for working with us. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my socials at Courtney Jane Racing. Before you click out of this video, don't forget to purchase some merch at theoverdriven.com. Help support me, my builds, and my racing career. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.